Hey y'all, if you like this inky, brushstrokey, I don't know, motif, stay tuned. Howdy, howdy, people. So it is currently August in Michigan when I'm recording this. So no backdrop today because my fan is in the window and I am sweating. So getting into that, you're gonna see my messy room. These are the inspiration pics. Definitely didn't turn out like this. I don't know why in my head I thought, like this one especially is so beautiful. God. But anyway, in my head I thought a brush stroke would give me this, and I don't know why. When it's like more liquidy than purposeful in placement. So it's just heavily inspired by this, but it's not that. But that's okay. It's okay. I still think it turned out pretty coolio. Going with a very, 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 in my opinion, this is better for this look, very light concealer because I don't have a very light foundation at the moment. So I'm going with a light concealer just to give myself a little bit more contrast against the black ink that I'm going to put on. I don't know. Like I said, that one picture that I like chef's kiss at, it just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Very, very purposeful. Very editorial. Very thoughtful. Very mindful. I've been doing that all week. Oh my goodness. When I post this, that trend might be over, but that very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. I love that trend. It's so funny. I'm driving my boyfriend and my best friend nuts with it. My family doesn't get the reference, but that's okay. Anyway, blending out concealer. Including along the jawline. I want it to be very soft. Very, very soft. And then going in with I bought a new gel liner. A non-water activated gel liner. And I don't know how I feel about it. I think I like it. It's really good for long wear, but God, is it a pain in the butt to get off. I had to go in with not just cleansing oil, but I mean cold cream. Pond's cold cream. You know, the kind that your grandma probably used. In order to get all of this out of my eyebrow and out of my eyes. But like for cosplay, probably actually a very good product because it did not sweat off. It did not budge like at all. And it dries down. It goes on kind of like, I don't know, muddy, if you will. And then it dries down. So anyway, filling in my eyebrows, back half first, leaving the front half a little bit more empty, going with mascara just to cover the brows. That way it gives a natural ombre. And then I'm going to powder my concealer. So I have this Fit Me Maybelline. It's supposed to be a translucent powder. I think it's just like super duper ivory or something like that. But it worked. It worked. Usually I'd go in with my kimchi, but this look is not worth that kind of money. Especially because I didn't know if I was going to like it. Because like as I was working, I was like, this is not going to give what I thought it had. Or what I thought it was. Because, again, totally different conceptual, we'll call it theoretical makeup in my head. Anyway, blotting out my wrinkles or my creases and then powdering. And then going in with the same gel liner that I put on my eyebrows. And then this fan brush that I cut down to be skinnier. But I should have cut it down to be shorter. Because this was a little unyieldy. And the pressure was just really weird. Like applying pressure, because sometimes it dragged, sometimes it swirled. I don't know. It worked for what I needed, but probably would have gone in with a shorter, more easy to control brush. And I was scared to put a lot of product on it at first, so you're seeing me kind of trial and error this. And I am following like natural shadows in my face. So at first I was thinking like, oh, like contour, you know, where natural contours would be on your face, your nose, your cheeks, your jaw, your chin. So it just kind of spiraled from there. There was no real rhyme or reason to a lot of this. So, I don't know. Like I did on my eyes, I did my forehead, eventually. And then my Cupid's bow, I did that. Just kind of adding different brush strokes, different sizing, different weight. Amount of product. Hi. And then I did extend my eyebrows to make it a little bit more cohesive. And then taking breaks intermittently to get a, fresh point of view. And then I am going with different sized brushes, different density brushes. So this brush I'm using right now is a fan brush as well, but it's meant for your bottom eyelashes to apply mascara. So it's very full, very voluptuous. It it applies product at a heavier weight, we'll say. And I kind of wanted a little variety in there, just so it wasn't all uniform, all the same, you know, super light hand. So this helped with that. And then under my eyes, and it's okay if it drags. I kind of liked the texture, the variety in visual texture, I'll say. So we're rocking with it. And then I took a detailed eyeliner brush and went in and created a new stroke, new width stroke. And added just a few details here and there when I thought, you know, it was lacking. And I went in with eyeliner. I went in with a thicker side, again, just to match kind of the visual weight overall. I thought my eyes would kind of get lost. So I went in with the thicker side of my dual-ended eyeliner, and I connected it to the details right there.